We're at the Colfax High School lumber mill. We have a bench that Wes made. Beautiful piece of Dawn redwood on CNC cut plywood legs. Here's the oak log we're running right now. Another oak log, some slabs we've cut. And today we just got our brand new Stihl RB800 pressure washer. Has a Kohler engine with fully ceramic cylinders. Shoots up to 4,200 psi. I think this thing is the real deal. And the reason why we got it is to kind of blast our logs, keep them really clean. Hopefully take a little bit more bark off. And that'll help keep both our bandsaw, mills, blade clean, and all of our tools in the shop cleaner, giving us longer blade life. All right, so let's see if we get this thing fired up. First thing we'll do is we'll look through the manual for key safety notices, and then let's see what we have here. So there's a pressure hose, goes to the gun. Pressure hose goes to the gun, and then it goes right into that pump right there. So it's a quick release on the pump, and then this is our pressure regulator, so we don't have to be at the full 4,200 psi. Take a look at some of these controls here. Right here is choke, so that's full choke. This is clever. Both the switch for engine kill and fuel are the same. So that's fuel on, full choke. And then here's throttle. There's halfway throttle. Here are all of the possible nozzles you could put on there. So 15 degrees to 65 degrees. So let's go ahead and put the 65 degrees nozzle in there. You in all the way? Choke's off. It's getting a little bit of warmth in there, circulating the motor oil a little bit. You could throttle up a little bit, get a little warmer. Certainly cleaning the log. Take all that moss off. 15-degree nozzle in now. Then hit that flamethrower. That'll peel some bark. So keep it contained. Let's see how it does on that tree. Right, cedar tree has a lot of char on it. Let's see if it takes that off. That's it. RB800 at the mill.